and in this region I said northern school, it is Satvik plus Arbhati, and Arbhati आप जानते हैं एनर्जेटिक. So according to the Natya Shastra, these are the four. According to the Natya Shastra, there are four schools. Is it okay? And these four schools are understood? Southern school Kaisiki Vritti, and then central school Satviki and Kaisiki Vritti, and eastern school Bharti with Kaisiki, and northern school Satviki and Arbhati. याद रहेगा? यस. तो इसका मतलब नॉर्थ वाले ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक हैं, और उसके बाद सेंट्रल, ईस्टर्न एंड साउथ वो केवल कैसी की पे लटके हुए, ग्रेसफुलनेस. यस. वैसे भी आपको पंजाब, हरियाणा ये सब रीजन में देखो एनर्जेटिक होता है ना. है? मतलब यदि डांस का मजा लेना है, तोड़ का मजा, डांस तोड़ने वाली. यस. वो ऐसे बोल देंगे वल्ले वल्ले, बस वही पे वल्ले बल्ले, जैसे कान खड़े हो गया ऐसे ऐसे हो गया, तो बल्ले बल्ले. यस. I said the classical dance of India's are, which one I said that? Bharatanatyam, it is I said that in which? Bharatanatyam किसमें? Tamil Nadu. And then Kathak in UP and North India. Kathak Kali, it is in, I said, Kathak Kali and Mohini Attam. Kathak Kali and Mohini Attam in Kerala. Is it okay? Kathak Kali and Mohini Attam. Yes or not? Generally Kathak Kali में males are more, but female are also there. जितने भी आपको डार्क ग्रीन, रेड, ब्लैक, जितने भी कलर नजर आते हैं कथक कली में जो पिक्चर, वो सारे मेल होते हैं, और फीमेल को दिखाने के लिए येलो कलर यूज किया जाता है. ओके. सो तो यदि आपको कथक कली में फीमेल को ढूंढना है, हु इज फीमेल, सो येलो कलर में. इज इट क्लियर? मिस हीरोइक, ग्रेसफुलनेस, जितने भी होंगी, चाहे सर्वेंट्स का काम कर रही हो, चाहे हीरोइन का काम कर रही हो, येलो कलर. द women are represented through this. Odissi, you know that? Odisha, कुचिपुड़ी, तेलंगाना एंड आंध्रा. आसान नहीं है. बर्तन पे खड़े हो जाओ, हाँ, डिश ले लो, दोनों पैर उस पर रख लो, फिर सर के ऊपर भी कुछ रख लो, फिर डांस करके दिखाओ. कुचिपुड़ी, मणिपुरी, ये तो डॉल्स, जितने भी होते हैं ना मणिपुरी वाले, डॉल होते हैं. सो मोहिनी अट्टम ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन. द केरला से टू आर देयर, वन इट इज आई सेड कथक कली एंड मोहिनी अट्टम. एंड देन आसाम से, आसाम में बसरी, मोर रेनफॉल, देयरफॉर यू नीड छतरी, सत्रिया. So these are the regions where we have been able to see what I said, that classical dances, and these are the 8 typical classical dance of India. And then first one, Bharatanatyam. Bharat, yes. Bha, Ra, Ta, भरतनाट्यम. I said that Bharatanatyam में bham is bhav, ram is raga, and tam is tala. Yes or no? Bharatanatyam, bhav, raga, tala, and natyam means abhinay. So Bharatanatyam and Odissi are the oldest. Bharatanatyam and which one I said that? Which are the two are oldest? And then all rest are, it is, I said, slowly and slowly evolved till now. It is okay. So which are the two are oldest? Bharatanatyam and Odissi are oldest. Is it okay? कौन दो oldest हैं? भरतनाट्यम and Odissi. Is this clear? भरत में क्या हमने देखा? भारत. यस, क्या बोला मैंने? भाम इस भाव, राम इस रागा, तम इस ताल. भाव, रागा and tala, and bhav means feeling, raga means music, and then tala means rhythm. Yes or not? And natyam means abhinay. So all the amalgamation it is in the, I said that Bharatanatyam. और इसमें क्या क्या होगा? यस टेल मी. भरतनाट्यम में यस टेल मी, हमने क्या बोला? भाव रागा ताला एंड देन नाट्यम. इसका मतलब है कि देयर इज, आई सेड दैट नाट्यम का मतलब है देयर विल बी नृत्य, नित्यम, नृत्य, नित्यम, अभिनय. तो इनमें क्या क्या होगा? व्हाट आर द फंक्शनैलिटी? नृत्य, नित्यम, अभिनय. क्या क्या होगा? नृत्य, नित्यम, अभिनय. तो नृत्य का मतलब जानते हैं? यस, बॉडी मूवमेंट. व्हाट विल बी देयर? बॉडी मूवमेंट. एंड नृत्यम मीन्स expressions in the form of, I said, emotional sentiments and all you are able to transfer. And then abhinay, you know that it is in a kind of drama. Yes? So Bharatanatyam. And then Bharatanatyam will be done on which, I said that? Carnatic music. किस पे किया जाता है? Tell me. On which music? Carnatic. So bha से भाव, raga, talam, and this is natyam, abhinay. What does it mean? There will be, which kind of functions will be there? Yes? Nritya, Nityam, abhinay. Yes or not? So what kind of performance they will do? Their performance में म्यूजिक नहीं होगा, म्यूजिक के बेसिस पर वो करेंगे. तो their performance are in the form of what? Function, or we can say what? Performance. नृत्य, नृत्य, अभिनय. नृत्य मीन्स याद हो जाना चाहिए, बॉडी मूवमेंट. नृत्य मीन्स, I said that it is expression is more important in the form of, I said that sentiments को ट्रांसफर कर सके, gestures, और किसी और तरीके से भी आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. अभिनय in the form of acting, drama. Yes or not? Acting, और म्यूजिक कौन सा होगा? यस टेल मी, विच म्यूजिक? Which music originated earlier? Hindustani classical music और कर्नाटिक? हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, पहले ही भी बोला है मैंने। विजयनगर एम्पायर के समय के बाद कर्नाटिक, एंड बिफोर दैट हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, दैट इज दिल्ली सल्तनत, अमीर खुसरो। यस, याद है? सो हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक इज वेरी ओल्ड। I said that Bharatanatyam, and which one I said that? Performance and music. What we have seen? Performance or Aramandi. What I said that? Aramandi. Aramandi में क्या होता है? ध्यान से legs को bend करना होता है, and then you have to turn like this and bend it outward. The legs should be bent and then your feet should be also moved. Automatically वो अंदर तो move करेगा नहीं. Feet will be outward and then heels will be what? Touching. And thereafter then your hands should be on the what? Hip. And then your body gesture then in the form of torso. Yes or not? Head, neck, and thereafter this is in the same line with slightly bend down. यहाँ से भरतनाट्यम स्टार्ट होता है. The first posture that you have to make this pose, and that is known as, I said that Aramandi, and this first pose is known as Adavu. क्या बोलेंगे हम? अभी आधा ही हुआ है. कितना हुआ? Adavu. What I said? Aramandi. इसका मतलब you can say अर्धम, अर्ध. Aramandi means अर्ध, आधा. Is it okay? So which one I said that? Tell me. क्या मैंने बोला? Aramandi. And Aramandi का क्या पोज नजर आ रहा है? Tell me. The knees are bent and outward, feet are outward, heels are touching. Yes or not? And then hands are on the hips, and then torso is in the little slightly front bend. Is it okay? यहां से कभी आपको सीखना हो तो यहीं से स्टार्ट करना. Clear? And उसके बाद there is, I said that 9 stages of Adavu. तो Aramandi में what is the importance? Yes, tell me. Knee will be outward. एंड वो उतना आप लोगों को समझ में आता होगा. बिना बेंड करिए तो आउटवर्ड होगा नहीं. एंड शॉर्ट में बोल रहा हूं मैं. फीट आउटवर्ड. जस्ट देखते ही सब कुछ याद आ जाए वो लिख रहा हूं मैं. हिल्स टचिंग, एंड आई सेड दैट हैंड्स ऑन hips, and torso, I say slightly bend forward, slightly. Yes. और आपको पता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अभंगा. याद है ना? Slightly. Is it clear? And this is known as, all these poses, Adavu. And there are 9. How many? How many? And it is in the layer by layer. It is in the layer by, and it is in the form of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus. And when you are going from one to another, it keep on complicating. जैसे जैसे आप नीचे मूव करते जाएंगे, it becomes what? So one layer to the another, if you will keep on, I said that this is Bharatanatyam, it will become complicated. Is it okay? और जो कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक है, I said मेरे साथ बोलेंगे पदम. What I said that? पदम, श्लोका, जावली, एंड कीर्तनम। तो कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक का कौन से फॉर्म पे दे विल डू द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ, आई सेड दैट padam, which one I said, or this padam is in the all four states language. Which are the down four states? Which are the down four states? Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam. Padam. Thereafter which is coming? Sloka, and sloka is in Sanskrit. Then coming of what? Javali. ध्यान रखिएगा वर्ड म्यूजिक में आएंगे. जावली, it is again all the four. Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam. Is it okay? And then the next one, it is coming of Kirtanam. And Kirtanam is coming under, I said that again, Sanskrit. It is alternate. Which one I said? Padam. Then I said, yes, tell me. Sloka, Javali, Kirtanam. They are doing on this. So which are the different kind of music on which I said that this Bharatnatyam in the form of Adavu is being done? Padam, Sloka, Javali. So Padam and Javali, I said that what? Yes? Yes? Kirtanam. याद रहेगा? Is it okay to you? Yes? Clear? And we have been able to see जब वो पहनेंगे कपड़ा तो ये क्या होता है? Silk with gold embroidery. Silk with, there will be necklace, there will be bangle, there will be head ornaments, and there will be, I said that, dance. Costume. Costume कैसा रहेगा? देखेंगे? Beautiful. यही पोजीशन तो मैं बता रहा था. I said that bending the knee, I said, the Rukmini Devi, the famous, I said that one who I said that make this Bharatnatyam to be the worldwide famous. Rukmini Devi. Is it okay to you? Or sorry. So what we have seen, I said that. और साथ में उन्होंने अपने पैरों में क्या पहनते हैं? बेल्स. Yes, it is, I said that mounted on the what? Oven pad. एक पैड होता है उस पे घुंघरू. नॉर्थ में घुंघरू बोलते हैं. So भाव, raga, tala and natya. Yes or not? And then originated in this state, consists of multiple items: nritya, pure dance movements, body movement, dramatic art of storytelling, abhinay, nritya, combination of nritya plus abhinay, means expression in the form of sentiment. And which music? Carnatic. And which in the form of, first tell me, padam, sloka, javali, कीर्तनम. कभी भी कुछ आए करंट अफेयर में पढ़ते समय ये सब चीजें आएंगे, कहीं भी कुछ भी आए. Suddenly that year that question will become very much. I said costume कैसा है? Silk saree with the gold embroidery, jewelry, necklace, bangles, head ornaments, bells mounted on the woven pads are worn on the feet. Aramandi is a master. This posture shows the legs bent at the knee, the knees turn out and the feet turned at the joining the heels, stomach held in the hand, and the hands placed neatly on the hips, and then torso inclining forward slightly, and then this is Adavu. And after mastering the coordination of this movement, complicated patterns are practiced. और उसमें